Hey, are you running a pool service company in Tampa, Florida, or in Florida in general, or anywhere? If so, you got to watch this video. So this is a market overview for pool service companies in Tampa, Florida, advertising on Google Ads. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the keyword phrases that I used, the software I used, ad copy, competition, landing pages, all the stuff that's the basics on running a good, high-performing Google Ads campaign for pool services, wherever you're located. I'm Mark with Inbound Revenue. If you've got any questions at all, just drop questions below, subscribe, like this video. These are the keyword phrases that I used to run this job. Pool cleaner near me, pool care near me, pool maintenance near me, pool service near me. Those keywords show up a lot in searches. Now, in this particular job, they said they only grabbed 4 advertisers. The way I ran this job is I run it for 72 hours, pools ads every hour on the hour. I think this is low. I think there's a lot more pool advertisers, even though it's January. I think there's a lot more pool service companies in Tampa advertising. But we're going to go with what we have. Let's look at the competitors. That's our first step of this review. See who is advertising. And we can see there's a big player here, Piranha Pool Care. Then we've got someone right behind them, B Pools. You've got some smaller players, and then you've got folks that are just trying to get a little bit of attention, visibility in the market. And what I'm going to do now is walk you through the ads, and notice also here that there's one local service ad, lots of people showing up on the maps. Again, I believe more than 7, so I think this is a little bit low, but we're going to run through what we have. Let's take a look at the ads. Now, what I look for when I'm looking at Google ads, and these are the actual Google ads run by these companies for those keyword phrases during the time that I ran this job. I look for, does the headline match the keyword phrase? So if someone searches pool maintenance near me, is the headline related to pool maintenance? So that's one thing, relevance of the headline to the keyword search phrase. That's going to increase your click rate if you have a more relevant headline to whatever the person was searching for. The other thing I look for is numbers and creativity in the ad copy. And then the last thing we'll look at is a couple landing page examples. So let's look at the ad copy. Family owned for 32 years. Okay. I mean, no one cares. Pool filter repair service, reliable service, top. At least they said something good about themselves. Pool service and cleaning, Tampa Pool Maintenance Company, full service cleaning. I mean, it's pinch a penny, pool, patio, spa. Got a certain quote today. I don't know if that's relevant. Interesting. Pool maintenance near me. Again, family owned. The ad copy is boring. So let's take a look at Sharper Image Pools and see what their landing page looks like. Man, here's the pool cleaners near me, full service pool cleaning, affordable rates. I'd like to see $99 first month, whatever, something interesting there. Let's go to the landing page. Big picture. I'm never a fan. Everyone knows what a pool looks like. I like this to say, we're Sharper Images Pools. I want it to be relevant to the search term. I want this to be about pool service. I want to tell you the areas that you serve, your features, your benefits, what makes you unique. I want a big fat phone number. I want a form. I want this to produce leads. That's why we ran the ads. So you run the ads to get as many clicks as possible with interesting ad copy, and then you send it to an interesting landing page. Not an interesting landing page, a landing page designed to convert. So wasn't thrilled there. Let's see what the we've been in business for 32 years folks have on their landing page. It's just an old website. It's not really a landing page. Home, gallery. I mean, at least there's a phone number. Fill out this form to get your free quote. That's good stuff. Here's some pictures of cleanups. Okay, I like that. This is gross. Looks better afterwards. So remodels. I mean, they got a lot of pictures. That's cool. Recurring service. But this is what we really advertise. What we searched for was service. So that should be up here. They just took us to sort of a generic, this is everything we do type of page. So don't love it. Don't hate it. Hopefully it's producing for them. Again, that's an overview of the pool service business for Google Ads in Tampa, Florida. If you've got questions, drop them below. If you want to reach out, my contact information is below. Like this video. Don't like it. Do something. Interact. And remember, always be marketing.